Here we have an animation that has a slight problem. If we go to the front view here, you can see that the ball, is turning into a cube. That's not the problem. It's actually bouncing underneath the floor. And if we click on the animated object, you can see that there's a lot of keyframes, and it would be a lot of work to reposition these manually. Now, fortunately, there is a special mode that we can use to just move the whole motion path. And if you come over to here and choose animation, and we're at quite a good spot here where the y-axis is pointing upwards. So this is going to help us move the animated object. So if I start moving this now, we're moving the animation. We are not destroying any of the keyframes that we've set. If I move it back into place over here, we can then come back into our other views. We'd probably want to raise it up a bit. So we can just scrub back. See the ball bouncing. So let's just see. That looks good. And then what we can do is turn on the floor object. We may want to just raise it up a touch just to be sure. And then if we come back out of animation mode, just look through our camera, you can now see that we fixed that animation and we didn't have to do a whole lot of work. So by using animation mode, you can move and manipulate your motion path without destroying the keyframed animation already present.